How to install a spare tire hoist for a 1999 to 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. You will need a large flathead screwdriver, a 15mm socket and ratchet, and your truck's spare tire toolkit. We would also recommend a car jack and a piece of wood to keep the tire elevated. First, you're going to need to find a thick piece of wood that is at least longer than the tire's wheel and put that atop a car jack. Lift the wood with the jack near the tire center while still allowing room for you to work with the hoist. The wood should be snug against the tire. Avoid lifting the truck. First, assemble the hoist bar, which is part of the spare tire toolkit, and insert it into the hole on the truck's bumper. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen. Let out the hoist so it hangs far enough to allow you to unlock it. Use the screwdriver to push in the lock to release the hoist. Here is a better view of the lock you're pushing in. Once the hoist is all the way to the bottom, you can lower the tire, then remove the car jack. Grab the two parts of the hoist, still holding up the tire, and push them through the wheel, completely loosening the tire. Now place the spare tire out of the way. The last thing holding up the hoist is the 15mm bolt. Use the socket and ratchet to remove. Lastly, unhook it from the hole. Get your new hoist. You will notice that the new unit looks different than the old one. The new one does not have the locking mechanism, and the top part is more of a square shape. Now use pressure to remove the plastic cover from the bar that connects to the hoist. Remove the retainer ring. Put on the new retainer ring and the old bar cover. Hook in the hoist and bolt it in. Use pressure to attach the bar and ring to the hoist. Time to reattach the spare tire. With the cable fully extended, insert the lower pieces of the hoist through the wheel. Turn the hoist bar clockwise until the tire is securely back in place. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.